Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. If you enjoy smartphone tips, updates and tech reviews like this video, subscribe to my channel. Today I have something really interesting. My iPhone SE 2020, which is already 6 years old, just received a new iOS update. Let me show you. And this is iOS 26.3.1. Honestly, it's quite impressive. Sorry, let me input my passcode first. Okay. It's quite impressive to see such an old devices still regularly receive software updates from Apple. In this video, I will download and install the update, which I am already doing, and while it downloads, let's talk about what this update actually brings. In order to check for the update, go to settings, general and then software update. Here you can see iOS 26.3.1 is available for download. I already tapped download now. While it downloads, let me uh, talk about the details of this update. The iOS 26.3.1, as the name suggests, is a very small maintenance update. It means Apple is focusing on bug fixes, performance improvements, system stability, and security improvements. These type of updates are important because they keep the phone is smooth, stable, and secure. Sometimes a small bug appear in previous updates, and then Apple release small updates like this to fix those issues. But the impressive part is the model name of my device. This is iPhone SE 2020, launched back in coronavirus year 2020. Now in 2026, it's still receiving official iOS update same date as the latest gen iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's around 6 plus years of software support, which is something Apple is very well known for. This long time software support is one of the main reasons many people prefer iPhones. Even if the hardware becomes older, the device can still stay secure and usable thanks to this type of updates. Now the big question people may ask is it safe to install? In most cases, the answer definitely is yes. Updates like this usually improve security and stability, so installing them is obviously recommended. Sometimes after installing a new update, battery may drain slightly faster for 1 or 2 days, and your phone might feel warm during while the iOS is optimizing your apps. But these are usually temporary and should go back to normal after 2 or 3 days. Okay, after the download process will complete, the installation process will automatically begin. You don't need to tap anything except one simple yes or allow. Your device will then restart and voila, iOS 26.3.1. This process usually takes about a few minutes. So time to wrap up this video. iOS 26.3.1 is a small but important update. It mainly focuses on bug fixes, performance improvements, and system stability. And the most important part, my 6-year-old iPhone is still receiving latest gen software update. That's something we don't always see in the smartphone industry. So that's the iOS 26.3.1 update on my iPhone SE. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more smartphone update, review, unboxing and tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.